How did Henry Ford first invent the assembly line? Have you ever wondered how the assembly line changed the way we produce goods? Let's take a closer look at Henry Ford and his role in this remarkable transformation. While Ford did not invent the assembly line, he certainly revolutionized its use in automobile manufacturing. In 1913, at his Highland Park plant in Michigan, he created the first practical moving assembly line. Ford's innovation was about combining several existing ideas. He used interchangeable parts, divided labor, and continuous movement of materials. This combination dramatically increased production speed and efficiency. Before this, cars were assembled by workers who moved around the vehicle to add parts. Ford had a brilliant idea. Why not bring the work to the workers? He was inspired by conveyor systems used in industries like meatpacking, where carcasses were moved past stationary workers. Ford and his team adapted this principle for automobile production. They developed a conveyor system that moved the car chassis along a line. This allowed workers at fixed stations to perform specific tasks repeatedly as the vehicle passed by. The first moving assembly line began operation on October 7, 1913. Initially, the movement was powered by ropes pulling the vehicles along. This was later replaced by a chain-driven conveyor system. Ford's assembly line divided the assembly process into about 45 steps. This reduced the time to build a Model T from over 12 hours to just 93 minutes. This remarkable reduction in production time allowed Ford to increase output and lower costs. As a result, automobiles became affordable to a much broader segment of society. By 1927, over 15 million Model Ts had been sold worldwide. Ford's assembly line marked a milestone in the Industrial Revolution. It represented a shift toward mass production and industrial efficiency. This innovation showed how technology and industrial engineering principles could transform manufacturing. It enabled economies of scale and changed social dynamics by making cars accessible to the middle class. Moreover, the assembly line paved the way for further advancements in production methods and factory organization. These changes continue to influence manufacturing today. The impact of Ford's assembly line is still felt, as it laid the groundwork for modern production techniques. So next time you see a factory in action, remember the incredible journey that began with Henry Ford and his innovative assembly line.